everyone! Welcome back to the Food Fashionista channel. Look at these Christmas cookies, aren't they adorable? Stars, hearts, and of course, my favorite, the gingerbread man. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these super easy and absolutely delicious Christmas cookies. Let's get baking. Here's what you'll need. 700 grams of plain flour, 250 grams of soft brown sugar, 250 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and wait for it. My secret ingredient that makes everyone ask, what's in these cookies? I'll tell you about it in just a bit. First up, let's mix all the dry ingredients together. Flour, cinnamon, ginger, and baking powder. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Next, we make a little well in the center, like a tiny flour crater, and pour in the brown sugar. Mix it all up until it's nice and uniform. Now for the butter, this part is messy but so fun. Just mix it in with your hands until the mixture gets crumbly, like this. Okay, eggs in next. Pour them straight into the mix and stir it all together. And now the moment you've been waiting for. My secret ingredient, Manuka honey. Just a drizzle of this golden magic makes the cookies so irresistible. People will think you're a baking genius. Knead everything together until it's smooth and lovely like this. Then wrap it up in cling film and pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Once it's cooled, it's time to roll it out. This part's super fun if you've got friends or family baking with you. There are 4 of us today, so we're dividing the dough into 4 pieces. Everyone gets to make their own fun shapes. Stars, hearts, gingerbread people, you name it. Place your masterpieces on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. They're almost ready for the oven. Into the oven they go at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit fan setting for 10 to 12 minutes. And voila, your cookies are ready to cool and eat. That's it, guys. Super easy, right? These cookies are buttery, sweet, and have just the right hint of spice. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another fun bake with me. Happy holidays and happy baking!